welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to make a really delicious bacon, broccoli, tomato and cream pasta. I'm using tagliatelle. You can be using any pasta that you like. This is very, very easy, super tasty and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we've got here. So I've got some broccoli, tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe tomato, and I've got my bacon here. Now this is very fatty, this one. You could be using something less fatty, a lot of fat on this one. Yeah, any type of bacon you want. Garlic, I'm using quite a lot of garlic for this, maybe a tablespoon. Chili powder, teaspoon. Oregano, teaspoon. A little bit of cream, and one medium-sized onion cut really small, as you can see. We're going to add some salt, pepper. We're going to start this off with a little tiny amount of oil because, like I say, this is very, very fatty. Okay, so I've got the really smallest amount of oil in there because what I want to do is get my bacon in first, which I told you is very, very fatty. So I want to cook this out for about 3 or 4 minutes, see how much fat comes out of there, and then we can move on. Okay, and by the way, get your pasta cooked because we're going to really concentrate on this sauce and then get the pasta in at the end. As you can see, very fatty, but I like it like this. Use a kind of leaner bacon if you want. Right now we're going to drop in our onion, cut nice and small. Our chopped garlic, about a tablespoon. I want quite a lot of garlic in this. And again, another 3 minutes on this fairly lively heat, moving it pretty much all the time. Wonderful. Okay, time for our broccoli. Let's get that in. Cut it nice and small. And again, 2 to 3 minutes stir frying it around. So still a nice crunch on this broccoli. We're now going to put in our tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Now I'm going to get that little bit of oregano and chili powder in there. About 3 or 4 minutes, again keep it moving. What we want is the tomatoes to break down somewhat and get a little bit of moisture in there. Okay, as you can see, my tomatoes are nice and ripe. Got some nice moisture coming out of them as they break down. If you haven't got that, you could just add a glass of water or maybe a glass of wine, a bit of white wine maybe if you fancied that. Okay, we're now going to go for our cream. Get that in. Now I'm using a thick cream, but you could be using a thick or a thin cream. It'll all work out the same. Let's get this moving. It's really coming together beautifully now. And I just want to grab some black pepper, and I'm going to put some salt in, but a tiny amount because that bacon that I've got is very salty, so you can judge that yourself. There you go, we're nearly done. I mean, this is just so fast, so easy, but really, really tasty. Hold tight. Let me grab some pasta. I've got some tagliatelle here that I'm using. In it goes. You can be using anything you want actually. Penne, spaghetti, fusilli, farfalle, anything. Let me grab another spoon. And let's just, I use 2 spoons to do this. Let's just for a couple of minutes toss our pasta in that sauce, and then it's ready to go. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.